Hi, I'm Robin Henning, founder and president of Exchange Life Ministries of Greater Philadelphia. Thank you so much for visiting our website. ELM is a small nonprofit counseling ministry located in Upper Bucks County, Pennsylvania. We're committed to doing biblical Christ-centered counseling and life coaching. Click on the What We Offer button to find out more about these services. Also, if you're looking for a ladies' Bible teacher for a conference or a brunch, click on the What We Offer button and select the Speaking tab and learn more about our services and hear some samples of conference talks. If it's free literature that interests you, click on the What We Offer button and then select Literature, and you can learn more about the documents that we offer for free. While you're here, check out my devotional blog and let me know what you think, and if it's been an encouragement to you. Remember, if you've trusted Jesus as your Savior, then Jesus now lives in you and He longs to express His life through you. Thank you and have a great day in Jesus.